The president was there to talk about health care and the brand new plan, but he also threw in that they would have an amazing and incredible tax plan, possibly bigger tax cuts than Ronald Reagan had, and that sliced about 10 points off the Dow's losses. We still have William Cohan with us, author of Why Wall Street Matters, along with Rob Bartenstein, Kestra Private Wealth Services CEO, $1 billion plus in assets under management. Rob, what do you think here is going to drive the markets beyond promises of the tax plan? You got to see this health care plan voted in and accepted?
Well, just when I was ready to give up and try and disconnect from the rhetoric of politics, they pulled me back in. So so much for the winter of my disconnect. But yeah, look, I think that this is what we need, or what I should say, what we need is for another leg in this market. What we need is real material developments on the tax reform front. And without those, I think this market's going to continue to kind of rest in place here. I mean, I don't see any real need or desire on the market to pull back. But without meaningful discussions and details on tax reform, I don't see how we go tremendously further from here.
Yeah. What do you think Wall Street's thinking right now, Bill?
Well, Wall Street's thinking is, if I can get these tax cuts done at the corporate level, at the personal level, I can revise financial regulations, I can repatriate trillions of dollars, then the party goes on. But what I'm worried about is right now as we talked about, the national debt is 20 trillion. If we have all these tax cuts and the revenue doesn't materialize, we may be talking as much as 27 trillion in debt. The bond market's not going to like that. The bond market has not liked the election of President Trump. The stock market has.
And also breaking in this hour was that we do tend to see that we are going to hit that debt ceiling quickly. Rob, go ahead.
Yeah, no, I think that's a really good point, and the way that I'll be looking at that going forward is we got to pay attention to the curve between the 3-month and the 10-year. So we're definitely going to see this rate rise in March, and if the 10-year doesn't keep up over the course of the year, if we don't see a steepening of that curve, then you know there's a problem.
Our thanks to Rob Bartenstein and our thanks to William Cohan, who, by the way, for those of you who don't know, was my journalism professor in high school at Phillips Academy, Andover. There we are. Look at us.
How scary. Oh, my God. Where did you get that?
Is that unbelievable?
Oh, my God. Mom, I'm sorry.
He taught me everything I know. Well, almost everything. Listen,
Look at you
it's great
now.
to see you. Thank you
you
so much.